Hey, hello guys. Welcome to the Boss Kitchen. We're gonna prepare chicken fry today, and that's gonna be not a normal chicken fry that we do regularly, but it's gonna be a smoked bay leaf chicken fry. All right, let's have a quick look at the ingredients. You see in there, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of salt, pinch of turmeric powder, homemade chicken masala. That's the all ingredients beaten to the pounder. That is ilachi, lavang, pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, and this is the ginger paste of 4 tablespoons. And in the middle you see the onions, chopped onions. All right, or maybe 1 onion would be enough for you. And at last we see the bay leaves here. All right, well, let's go check it out how it's gonna be. Well, this is 1 kilogram of chicken you see here. So the ingredients that I have explained is for 1 kilogram of chicken. Maybe you can add a little more if you're going with a larger quantity of chicken curry or chicken fry. Always remember that ingredients are better balanced with the chicken you take for cooking. All right, well, let's add all the ingredients to this and get back to you. All right, you see I'm mixing the chicken properly with all the ingredients except the bay leaf and the onions, because we're going to fry the onions at first, then only we can add the chicken to that. So I just exempted onions and bay leaf. We have some job to do with the bay leaf, of course. We will have to smoke the bay leaf, so I just exempted bay leaf and onions for now. So you see all the ingredients that are being mixed with the chicken now in the bowl. Alright, make sure that you mix properly and marinate it for at least 15 minutes. That will be enough for you. And it's of course based on your time schedule. It's up to you how much time you're going to marinate. But it would be good if you at least marinate for 15 minutes for your better and best chicken fry. Alright, cool. Well, I just lit the pan now. I'm going to add oil to this. You see? 1 and 2. All right, the oil is heated. I'm just adding onions to it. Let's roast these onions a little bit gold color till it comes gold color, not a deep roast. Keep an eye on it, otherwise you're gonna burn the onions and it's gonna mess up your chicken taste. So make sure you're monitoring the roasting onions. Alright. Well, now you see the onions turn into a little bit gold color, light gold color. So I'm going to add chicken to this, which I have marinated a couple of minutes back for 15 minutes at least. I'm just going to mix it properly. Okay, put this on the light flame now, not even very sim, but Put it on the medium sim. Okay. And let's close this with the lid for at least 15 minutes, first 15 minutes, and let's come back for the first shake. Well, I close this with my lid, and let's keep it aside for at least 15 minutes, and let's come back and check after 15 minutes. Maintain the medium flame, that's fine, and I'll let you know what we will do afterwards. Alright. Let's see how it's doing. Wow. It's 40% cooked, as I see. Just a quick mix. This is 40% cooked now. Let's close it with the lid once again and come back after 10 minutes. So you're going to close with the lid and you'll come back after 10 minutes to see how the chicken is cooked. Alright. It's closed. Okay, let's check it out after 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes already. Let's check this now. Okay. It's almost 70% cooked, as we see. Just give it a mix for one more time, and from here the style of cooking will be changed. That is, we are not going to use the lid over here. From here we are going to cook the chicken openly, that is with open vessel, no lid closed. Okay. All right. So guys, remember that you have to put a bit high flame over here, so regulate it a bit high, keep some flames over there, increase the flame, and I suggest you use this one. Okay. I believe you all guys know about this. This is the one which we use for dosa when we are actually preparing dosa on iron pan or something, right? So we have to use this because the reason is we have to mix the chicken and lift the chicken from the bottom, because this is fried, and obviously there will be a bit of roast between the chicken and the vessel. All right, so you see that it's being a bit roasted. So just to lift the chicken from the bottom, we need to use this. You see this? See? And why we have to cook the chicken with open lid from here? The reason is, when you close the lid, close the vessel with the lid, the water and the vapor will be inside the chicken and it will be cooked like a steamed chicken. But when we cook it openly, the air, the water vapors and everything actually goes out of the chicken, and the chicken will become dry. And dryness is that we are going to prepare a fried chicken. That's going to be a fried chicken for you. Alright, you see, the chicken is properly cooked around at least 90%, I would say. I'm just considering this as a cooked chicken for now, not yet still fried. There is some more thing to do. Just lower the flames now. Okay. Alright. Well guys, now we come to the end of the chicken, but before that we have a small thing to do. As I mentioned, this is a bay leaf dry or fried chicken. Alright, so where's the bay leaf? Still the bay leaf is left aside, and what I'm going to do with the bay leaf, just watch it. Alright, I am going to place a heat stand on this chicken. You see this? Right? Take a heat stand. Yes, of course. That's for real, you're seeing. Place a heat stand on this. Okay? And Now, you see this bay leaf? I'm going to burn this bay leaf now. Well, a stand is placed there and I'm taking the bay leaf and burning it. Look at this. I'm going to burn a bay leaf here. You see this? This is the bay leaf. Just burn it with the light from under the leaf. Okay. You see this is burnt now. All right, place bowl on this, press it, put this into the bowl, take one more bay leaf. You see this, it's burning. All right, let's close the lid now and just leave it for 30 seconds or 1 minute. Okay, now let's check it out. Wow, you see the smoke coming out of it? Well, you see, so when you burn this bay leaf and put it in that vessel, the smoke will catch up with the old chicken inside of it and the essence is going to be awesome. So this is it guys for today. Thank you very much. Please support me, subscribe my videos, subscribe my channel, like it, share it with your friends, colleagues, relatives or whomever. And thank you very much for watching my video. I'll surely come back with some other video